welcome to a brand new video. Welcome back, or welcome for the first time. Chainsaw Man. Yes, we're starting a new anime. We got Chainsaw Man now. We got Attack on Titan. That will be back. Don't worry. Attack on Titan will be back for any of you guys wondering. And I'm excited to start this. I've heard very good things. I know I have zero idea what it's about. But I've just heard people talk about it, say really good things, and yeah. We're going to be watching the sub, too. Okay? We're watching the sub. What we're going to be doing. with Attack on Titan, I do the dub. But with this, let's do the sub. Let's get invested. You know what I mean? We'll probably do that with other anime. I'll probably switch back and forth between sub, dub, you know, whatever. I don't watch a lot of anime. As a kid, I watched like Toonami at night, but other than that, I didn't watch a lot. I didn't watch a lot. Like, especially growing up into high school and shit like that, it just wasn't part of my palette. But I really want to get back into it. You know what I mean? So let's get into, you know, Chainsaw Man season 1, episode 1. In 3, 2, 1. It's like we're playing Outlast or some shit like that.
キーキって月収6万だろ。この間売った腎臓が120万。右目が30。
He sold his right eye.
金玉片方売って
One of his nuts?
いくらで売れたっけ ?10 万もしなかったんだっけ
Wow. Jesus Christ.
残りの借金が
Hence, okay. Makes sense.
804万円。
38 million yen.
ポチタ、分かってるって。さっ
Pochi.
さと殺しちまうか。
Pocha?
悪魔を1体殺せば、だいたい30万。やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Devil hunting. Okay, that's a fire opening. Devil hunting. All right, he's a devil hunter. Yeah, I think you got everything you need to know. What the fuck? Oh my god, is he a femboy? He's a bottom. Spoilers, but I don't care.
よくや
Tomato
った
devil.
デンジ
Dingy.
闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる報酬は40万だ
おざっす。
即手数料管理調整費その他もろもろを抜いて
Of course. 70,000 yen. Jesus.
なんで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな
Dad's debt? Really?
俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞそれにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ
He's a bottom.
もうタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
マジっすか。いただきます。あ
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ逃げたら豚の餌だからな
That's wild.
ー。へえ。
Eh.
これで3日は食えるね。
Aw. That's a cute little pet. It's goofy, but it's cute.
回収終わる気しねえし。俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。
Relatable.
夢叶うなら 女抱いてから死にてえな。
One dream?
ガキ、物乞いするなり体を売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。死体をばらして売る。
Damn. That is wow.
死ぬぞ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから俺を助けろ。やっぱ俺も死にたくね。
I like that.
パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。いいだろ。
Just sounds like what any nerdy gamer femboy me wants.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
あ、はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いて。でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。俺たちが望むの力。
Oh shit.
デビルハンターのシデビルハンターくん、マジこいつらバカだよ。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。僕ゾンビの悪魔だから僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌いだから殺しちゃうんだ。
Okay. It's Rick. It's Rick Grimes. Oh, fuck. God damn.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、
Ah, okay.
デンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。
傷が。ポチタ。
Ah.
もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。
なんだお前、さっきのザコ悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか。まだな。
It hurts.
こっちからだ。
これ君がやったの？
ダカス。
Oh my god, he got a hug. Holy shit, it all comes full circle.
悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
He literally has it all.
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、
Salad.
あとデザートかな。
最高じゃないっすか。
Fuck yeah, dude. That was badass. That was fucking badass. I love that. I fucking love that. Hell yeah. Everything about that first episode, it sets everything up perfectly and it stands on its own and it tells you everything you need to know about these specific characters. Cancer. Specific characters, you know. Denji? Denji? How's his name, yeah? Let me look. Yeah. Denji, yeah. You know, his life just has been constant horror. Father hanging himself. You know, he's been put in this business, this black market business, killing devils and selling his organs, his nut, a nut he sold, an eye. Like, that's crazy. That is fucking crazy. Like, why? Well, not why. Obviously, he has to pay off this debt. That's not even his debt. It's his father's debt. And when you get put in shit like that, you gotta do what you gotta do. And right now, he's gotta do what he gotta do. But I love his little chainsaw dog, Pochi or whatever. Ah, it's so adorable. But now, gone. But still in his heart, leading him along the way. And he got his dream. I mean, hey, he was in the arms. He got a hug. You know, he's a simple man. Just wants to fall in love and wants to be the bottom of the relationship, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, sometimes let the woman be the king of the crop. You know what I mean? So I like it. I'm excited to see, and they got this whole like world there's devils all over the place, and they got this whole like FBI bureau for just specifically for devils. So that shit's wild. And I'm guessing his black market boss person is dead now because they turned themselves into a zombie and dead. Like, what? The concept is so goofy, but I really like the execution of it. You know, I think that's something difficult. This could come off very cringe or corny, but I don't think it comes off very well. The animation's okay. I think it looks good. I'm not sure what kind of animation style this is. It's kind of, I don't know. I'm not like too familiar with specific anime styles. I mean, this one just gives me a classic feel. It's like that, you know, it's kind of 3D but 2D at the same time, like a little different, but I still enjoy it. I think it looks good. Now we got this chick he's with now, who they'll probably get together. I assume they'll probably get pegged at one point in the show. I could probably sense that. I could see that. I could see that happen, you know? I think that's a clear... I think it's a possibility. I think it is. I think it is indeed. But there's a lot of shit. Especially just... as a young kid, too. Like, if he wasn't able to get that 700,000, whatever they said, how much it was, he was just gonna be chopped out into pieces. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? That's insane. That's insane. And the voice acting is really good too. The sub is good. I like it. I wonder how the dub is. I know there's, with a lot of anime, it's either the dub is great, like Attack on Titan dub is really good, but there's other ones where, like, if you watch the dub, like, that's horrible. It's dog shit. And sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. I don't know. I need to watch more. I need to put more into my palette. I already told with this show there's going to be a lot of just crazy fight nonsense, crazy just out there fight scenes and moments for sure. Not just fight scenes, probably moments there's going to be like, what the fuck am I watching type shit, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with that. Like I said, the animation looks good. You know, I could imagine that all those chainsaws that he had, the face on his hands, like that probably was probably really hard to work on. So I think it looked good. There was times it was like, okay, but I think it looked good. It looked good. I enjoyed it. So I'm excited to see what happens in this series. It's gonna be a fun series. Welcome to all the new viewers that are watching for the first time. You know, I'm Dev. Welcome. We watch a variety of different shows. And we're starting this one for the first time. I'm excited. Barry's over until the final season comes out. So hopefully this year. Barry's great. Barry's great. So hopefully this can kind of replace it. You can't replace it, but, like, you know, fill the void of where Barry would be. So nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for daily videos every single day. Follow me on Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, and Instagram. And all the social medias down in the description below. And we'll catch ya for another video. Goodbye.